Yeah, okay, let's start. Why are they plated, gold plated or rhodium plated? So you may know brass or copper or silver, they are more conductive material. They have a better conductivity than gold or rhodium, but they start oxidating very fast, and so if they are starting oxidating, the conductivity becomes worse and worse. So that's why these connectors need to be protected and need to be covered by gold or rhodium or another material. So the gold plating and the rhodium plating protects the surface of the conductors, so there is no oxidation. And the gold plating has another advantage. So this is because the gold has the capability to really, it's very soft and very smooth, and can really increase the realistic contact surface. Because it's soft and can fill up all the gaps between the surfaces, between the connector and the jack. So it has a very low resistance. On the opposite, gold is very soft, and if you connect and disconnect a plug very often, which you may do during the using the HiFi system and adjusting the HiFi system, playing with the HiFi system because it's your hobby. So this surface will be damaged during the time. And this is the advantage of rhodium, because rhodium is a very strong material, and it will not be scratched or something after a few times connecting and disconnecting. That means the connectivity of this particular plug with rhodium plating has a higher durability, and so is not changing the conductivity after changing and plug and unplug several times.